Welcome to the 5-Day Accepted Challenge. Here is a video tutorial on how to access the daily training materials. So if you click on the day 1 training link in the email, it will take you to this page right here. You do not need to log in or sign up or enroll. You will simply scroll down and what you'll see is Lesson 0 5-Day Accepted Challenge, and you just have to click on Accepted Challenge Day 1, and then it'll take you to the video. Right now, you're only seeing Accepted Day 1 because Day 2 will be released tomorrow. So let me click on this link here, and you will be directed to Accepted Challenge Day 1. You just have to click on the play button. Hi there, and there you go, you have it. As you can see, you will see accepted day 2, 3, 4, 5, but you will not be able to access that until it is day 2, until it is day 3, until it is day 4, and day 5. I hope that this tutorial gives you a better idea of how to navigate the course training materials. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please email us at info@juliekimconsulting.com. I hope you have fun in this 5-day challenge.